bought 47 online courses, and this is the only one that worked for me. Let me explain. Is Video Ranking Academy worth it? Yes, it is, and I'll show you why in this course. Are there any better alternatives to going full-time on YouTube? In my opinion, no. This is your best option. Is now a good time to buy? The best time to buy was last year. The second best time to buy is today. The Video Ranking Academy course is the best way for you to fast-track your journey to learn the ins and outs of how YouTube works. If you've watched any of Sean Cannell's videos on his YouTube channel and you enjoy his teaching style, then this course is going to be perfect for you in order to master YouTube and start growing your YouTube channel. We rate Video Ranking Academy 5 stars out of 5 stars. In the course, Sean Cannell will show you the step-by-step process that you need to go through in order to start getting more views on your videos. And the best part about the course is he inspires you and motivates you to take action in spite of your fear. Inside the course, you'll also get access to the amazing community. You'll be able to surround yourself with other video creators who are also working to grow their YouTube channel. This community support and being able to chat to people who are doing what you are doing, who believe what you believe, makes a tremendous difference for your YouTube journey. The big thing is they help you stay accountable to your goals and the standards that you want to set for your videos. I want to show you how this course, Video Ranking Academy, helped me go from 0 views to over 3.9 million views on our YouTube channel today. I'm also going to show you how it's possible for you to get the same results that I've got. The course focuses on teaching you how to create evergreen videos that get you views while you sleep. Let me explain why the course works. The course works because the fundamental thing that Sean Cannell teaches is how to rank videos in YouTube search. This works because it helps you reduce the competition and gives you a better chance to rank for specific keywords inside of YouTube and get consistent views. If you can consistently get 10, 20, 50, or even 100 views a day per video that you create, your channel will grow quicker than you think. Sean does this by teaching a set framework that you can follow to create every single video. You'll reverse engineer the entire process, and he breaks it down simply so that you can understand the core concepts of what makes videos work on YouTube. If you're getting excited as I am and you want to find out more about Video Ranking Academy, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. My favorite thing about Video Ranking Academy is that Sean Cannell teaches you how to use affiliate marketing to start making money with your YouTube videos. So what is affiliate marketing? You can think of affiliate marketing as you're a salesman for a company talking about their product or service, promoting it to your audience, and then if you refer a sale to that company, they give you a sales commission. And it's a great way to get started making money with your YouTube videos because it's super simple. You don't have to deal with any of the complications of customer service or returns or complaints. All you need to do is create videos about products and services that you use and love that have an affiliate program, refer sales to them, and you can start making money with your videos. It's the simplest and easiest way for you to get started making money with your YouTube videos. And Sean has a specific section in the course that fast tracks your growth with affiliate marketing, and he can get you to a place where you're making money from your YouTube videos that's meaningful and can make a difference in your life. Let me show you what the course looks like inside. Module 1 is getting started, why right now is the best time to start on YouTube, and how to 10x your results with Video Ranking Academy. Module 2, he teaches you the 7 R's framework, and this is the most powerful part of the course. It helps you get clarity on your goals. He explains the 7 R's system and how you can use it to get more views. He talks you through the ASQ strategy, teaches you the 50-50 rule, and helps you understand your YouTube analytics. In Module 3, he goes over the 10 commandments for YouTube. In Module 4, he shows you the best way to start making money on YouTube, and this is my favorite part that I told you about. In Module 5, he shows you the 3 essentials to succeed on YouTube by building your influence and explains the top ways to make money on YouTube. Module 6 is all about taking action. You can't make any progress if you don't start taking action on what we're learning inside the course. And Module 7 is all about mastery, taking it to the next level. If you have any questions or queries about Video Ranking Academy, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Now that you're ready to invest in your success, head down to the description below and I'll leave a link for you to Sean Cannell's free YouTube Masterclass. And he'll show you everything that I've spoken about in this video in so much depth, but simplifying the concepts so that you can use it in order to make better videos, get views, and start making money with your YouTube channel. So stop putting off your YouTube success. Take action today. Head down, click on the link, and get started with your YouTube journey.